To install Stay Tucked, the first thing you're going to want to do is put on your fitted sheet. Next, we're going to prepare the covers that we plan on sleeping under. With Stay Tucked, you can tuck a sheet, a blanket, or a sheet and a blanket. I like to sleep with a lot of covers, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to tuck a sheet and a blanket. If you use a comforter, leave that to the side for now. We'll add that later. Once your covers are laid out as you see here, go ahead and grab Stay Tucked and lay it open face up on the foot of the bed. If you have the twin version, there's no assembly required. If you have the king or queen version, however, it comes in 4 pieces and we're going to put them together right now. These 2 pieces are the clips that will hold Stay Tucked together. The large side goes under Stay Tucked as you see here. As you slide on the clip, you should hear a slight click to tell you that the clip has been installed correctly. Once it's in, give the clips a little wiggle just to double check and you're ready to tuck your sheets. Since I'm sleeping under a sheet and a thin blanket, the first thing I'm going to do is move my blanket to the side and line up my sheet. You want to line your covers up with the hinge in the middle of Stay Tucked, right where it folds in half. Now, if you're using a blanket or some other cover on top of your sheet like I am, go ahead and line that up in the same way, right on top of the first one. Now that your covers are lined up, go ahead and close Stay Tucked and press down on it firmly. Then, holding it closed, roll it away from you once so that it now opens towards you, and check both ends to make sure the covers are completely within the clamp. From here, hold Stay Tucked firmly with both hands, pull out some slack towards you, and then simultaneously pop the mattress up and slide Stay Tucked in. If you have a heavier mattress or don't feel comfortable lifting it, an easier way to install Stay Tucked is just doing it a little bit at a time. Pull out some slack in your sheets, put Stay Tucked halfway under the mattress, and then go to each end and put it the rest of the way in. Either way you install it, once it's in, it's in. When it's time to uninstall Stay Tucked and change your sheets, all you have to do is pull it out horizontally the way you put it in. Now that your sheets are tucked, all that's left to do is to straighten out your covers. We're almost done. We've got one step left. We're going to add a comforter. Now you're done. Your sheets will stay tucked until it's time to change them. Thanks for watching and stay tucked.